evolution strategic application of Amazon. As you can see, the table from streaming direct to download direct DGB. Amazon.com started streaming direct DGB in September 2006, and the event was implementing an internet video on demand service named Amazon Unbox, also providing television shows and films for rental and purchase. So it's like Netflix. They have the idea before Netflix. Also, Amazon.com has continuously improved its Amazon Unbox services, expanding the Amazon Unbox service and to download direct DGB, allowing consumers to download purchase content, movies or TV shows. Evolution strategy was download direct. Initial type of DGB was streaming direct, and the evolution strategy was download direct. From streaming direct to download direct DGB, Amazon.com expanded from streaming direct to download direct in September 2007. All right. So establishing an online music store, Amazon MP3, and selling downloadable music exclusively in MP3 format.
Right.
So basically, they started from anyone else in this area. From download direct to download intermediary DGB, Amazon.com expanded its DGB in the download intermediary in January 2008. So if we look here, they started 2006, they expand 2007, now 2008. So every year between each step, forming an alliance with the four major music labels: MI, Universal, Warner Music, Sony, BMG, providing consumers with various bits of digital music to be purchased and downloaded directly from Amazon.com. And one of the most significant strategic movements is so what does EMI mean?
EMI is basically the installment thing, was the monthly installment. We call it like equated monthly installments, like in banks or in any thumbwheel or financing. So it's called monthly installments, yeah. Or like in credit cards, if you buy something and they give you EMI for monthly installments, sometimes with 0%, sometimes with percentage.
I didn't get you, doctor. Is it a loyal something?
EMI is EMI like monthly installments. Like buying something on monthly installments. It is called, I will tell you what is the abbreviation is for. Equated monthly installment.